We've spent the last few weeks creating some amazing spring kombucha flavors. But now comes the most important part. Which one tastes the best? Today, I'm taste testing all of my spring kombucha flavors from strawberry lemonade to cucumber lime. And one of these flavors completely surprised me. Let's get started. Hi everyone and welcome back. If you've been following along with our spring kombucha series, today we're putting all these flavors head to head. And if you're new here, don't worry. I'll link all the individual recipes below so that you can brew your favorite. Today's lineup includes strawberry lemonade, berry ginger, cucumber lime, strawberry, and berry ginger. Each one of these was brewed with the same kombucha base and has the same carbonation time. So we can focus on what really matters: flavors, balance, and the overall drinking experience. Let's start with strawberry lemonade. Right away, this smells bright and fresh. The lemon adds a refreshing citrus note while the strawberry softens the tartness. This is exactly what I think of when I think of spring kombucha flavors. It's balanced, approachable, and easy to drink. This is delicious. For strawberry lemonade, I'll give this flavor a 9 out of 10. Then I will rank this as a 10 out of 10 for beginner friendly. This is a very beginner friendly kombucha flavor. Next is berry lemonade. This one has a richer berry flavor than the strawberry lemonade, but with a little more depth and complexity. The lemon keeps it from becoming too sweet, which makes this flavor feel bright while giving you the berry forward taste. Berry lemonade, for flavor, I will give this a 9 out of 10. For complexity, I'll give this a 9 out of 10. Next up is cucumber lime. This may be the most refreshing in all of our lineup. It's crisp, it's clean, and it's incredibly light. This is the flavor I'd reach for on a hot day. And I'll also rank it a 9 out of 10 for uniqueness. Now let's try strawberry. Ooh, that's some good carbonation. Strawberry. This is delicious. It doesn't have any tartness. It is definitely sweeter than the strawberry lemonade. But I would rank this one a 9.5 out of 10 for flavor. And I would actually rank this a 9.5 for carbonation. This one had a really good carbonation. Last but not least is berry ginger. Berry ginger is a wild card in this lineup because I absolutely love ginger, but I have never paired ginger with berries. So this is the wild card. The berries provide the sweetness, but the ginger provides a little bite and warmth on the finish. This is definitely the most complexity in all of the flavors in the lineup. For this one, I'll give creativity a 10 out of 10. And for complexity, also a 10 out of 10. Here's my recommendation for flavor categories. Strawberry is best overall. It had a nice, clean, sweet flavor, and it reminded me the most of a spring kombucha flavor. Next up is best beginner flavor, strawberry lemonade. This one to me was such an easy kombucha flavor to make. It's easy to make, but you get a lot of flavor out of it. Next is most refreshing. This one goes to cucumber lime. Cucumber lime was the most refreshing, and to me, it does give you that spa drink taste that you want on a hot day. Now for best carbonation potential, honestly, I think it's a three-way tie. For the best carbonation, to me, in third place, I believe was the strawberry. In second place, I believe is the cucumber lime. And in first place for overall carbonation is the berry ginger. This one to me had the best carbonation out of all 5 of these. And last but not least, it's most balanced. This has to go to the berry lemonade. All the berries that are in here, the strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries, all balance out the tartness of the lemon that's paired with it. So this one is most balanced. And now for my overall ranking of all 5 of these spring kombucha flavors. In 5th place is berry lemonade. Berry lemonade takes spot number 5. In 4th place is strawberry. Strawberry to me is in the 4th spot of all of the flavors. 3rd has to be cucumber lime. So 3rd is cucumber lime. In the 4th spot has to be strawberry lemonade. And in the number 1 spot of all of our spring kombucha flavors is berry ginger. To me, berry ginger has the best flavor, has the best carbonation, and it was easy to make. And if you've watched the Spring Kombucha series, thank you for following along. It means a lot to me. But make sure you check out my other series, such as the Coffee Kombucha series, the Kombucha Education series, the Green Tea versus Black Tea Kombucha, and the Green and Black Tea Blend Kombucha. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below. Which spring flavor would you try first? Until next time, may all your kombucha be fizzy and delicious.